my tip of the day today is tools, and the best battery powered tools to get. It's up to you what make you get, but all I would suggest is you get one. There's so many these days. I think DeWalt, there's Makita, there's I think Ryobi. I've never actually tried Ryobi, and I've tried a few DeWalt, but what I personally prefer is Makita. But get one where one battery fits everything, because it's so much easier. I've got 3 batteries. I've got a drill. I've got a circular saw battery on. I've got a battery jigsaw. I've got battery. I never remember the name of this. Impact driver. And I've got a battery plane as well, and it comes with a battery torch, which I don't use, but it's handy to have if you need it. But if you're going to buy tools, try and save up and get some decent tools that will last. And if you can get one battery that fits everything, say Ryobi, DeWalt, a lot of them do it these days, and you get so many different tools, so all you need to do then is just buy the actual tool, rather than buying the battery and the charger at the same time. And it's so much easier, so I would definitely recommend it. So personally, I'm a Makita fan. I've had these for 5-6 years now, obviously not using them day in, day out, because I don't do carpentry full time anymore. I do odd jobs here and there, and I do a lot of woodworking bits, as you can probably see on my Instagram. So you can have a look at my Instagram if you want to check me out, Hove Woodwork on there. But a lot of the work I do is small bits, so that my tools aren't getting a major workout. But I do use my drill all the time for everything, and I use my circular saw for everything, pretty much everything that needs trimming down. Jigsaw's handy to have, impact drivers always handy to have. But yes, so my tip of the day is save up if you need to, splash out and get some decent tools that one battery fits all. There we go, there's my tip of the day. So hopefully that helped. Please hit like, please hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more. If you've got anything to add, please add a little message down below. Thank you very much.